How to change your middle name on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your middle name on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now click this settings icon in the top corner and go down. Here you will find the account settings. Click on it and then click personal information and then just you will find here name. Click on it and select middle name and type here anything you want, and this one, and after you type your name, click here review change, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.